Perpetual motion machine of second kind. Before we start, you must know about the second law of thermodynamics. The Kelvin-Planck statement of second law states that it is impossible to construct an engine which, while operating in a cycle, produces no other effect except to extract heat from a single reservoir and do equivalent amount of work. That is, we cannot construct any engine that takes heat from single source and converts completely that heat into the work. So it is not possible. We can see in this diagram that the heat engine taking heat Q1 from the source and doing some work while rejecting Q2 heat to the sink. So we can see that in practical situation this type of heat engine is possible. Now let's see about perpetual motion machine. As we can see in diagram that it takes heat from a single reservoir and converts this heat into work completely, that is W is equal to Q. So let's see about some of its characteristics. It absorbs heat from single thermal reservoir. It completely converts this heat into work without any loss of heat. Its efficiency is 100%. It violates second law of the thermodynamics. As we can see that this takes heat from single reservoir, and from the second law it is very clear that we cannot construct such an heat engine. So this perpetual motion machine of second kind is completely hypothetical concept and this is impossible to construct. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.